Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's your boy ALin, and we back today with another video, man. So look, first and foremost, if you guys are new to the channel, make sure y'all go down and hit that subscribe button, and while y'all down there, just hit the like button for your boy too. From what I'm hearing, that really helps the channel grow, so I appreciate y'all, man. We trying to hit 5K subscribers by the end of the year. Right now we at like 2.15. Big shout outs to everybody who subscribed. I appreciate every single one of you. And yeah, we're just gonna grow, man. I got a lot more videos coming up just because of all the releases coming out. So we got reviews for y'all. Fall and winter time is here. So I still gotta drop my top 5 sweatpants video for y'all. Just top 5 different things that I rock during the winter time. And yeah, man, so just stay tuned to the channel. And I just dropped a video yesterday and another video previously, like a couple days ago. So make sure y'all go check those out too. But enough blabbering, we are back today with another sneaker review, man. So look, this is the Jordan 3 Pine Greens right here, as y'all can see from the box. So this shoe came out last week, but a lot of places like Foot Lockers and retail stores didn't even get shipment in, just because like there's been a lot of shipment delays due to the supply chain issue in the United States. And just like in Cali, the ports are like filled up with like carts and crates and all that, and shipments are just not being delivered to like the East Coast or different parts of the United States because of the lack of truck drivers, you know, the ones that drive the big tractor trailers and stuff like that. There's a lack of it due to the pandemic or whatever reason, so we not getting like our shoes on time this year, man. But it is what it is. I was able to catch some off a local Foot Locker restock. I was able to pick up 2-3 pairs, so I was able to pick up a 8.5 to give you guys an on feet. So straight into the unboxing, we have the box right here. We have the green on this box with the elephant print on this side. Pretty cool concept. I think all the newer color Jordan 3s are coming out in this type of box. The cool grays, the racer blues. The cool grays was gray with the elephant print. The racer blue was like black with the blue and the elephant print on this side. So pretty cool concept on the boxes. This green right here on the box is actually really nice, especially with the contrast on the white Jumpman. Elephant print on this side. And that pretty much breaks down the whole box, man. As you guys can see, here is the size tag. I was able to pick up a 8.5, and it's Air Jordan 3 Retro. Retail on these was $190. So in New York, after tax, it comes out to like $205, $206, depending on which area you in. And yeah, the color code is black/pine green -silver-white. So yeah, pretty cool sneaker when I first seen them, but we gotta seen them like in pictures online, but we gotta see how they look in person, man. So yeah, just unboxing the sneaker. Boom, right here you have the elephant print paper on the inside that comes with most Jordan 3s, and yeah, flipping it open, we have the sneakers right here. So first thing I do notice off the sneaker off rip is that the upper isn't leather. If the upper was leather on the sneaker, it would be so much more fire, but it isn't leather. And yeah, but still a very clean colorway. And I'm just gonna give you guys a quick little b-roll to look at all the details and stuff, and then we're gonna come back and break down the whole shoe with the review and everything, man. So let's cut to that. Boom. All right, so coming back from the b-roll, hopefully you guys got a good look at all the details of the sneaker. So jumping straight into it, man, we're gonna talk about colorway first. The colorway on this sneaker, like I said, is really nice. This pine green right here on the sneaker really pops. Like, green is one of my favorite colors on a sneaker, but it's just like, I don't know, I feel like they didn't execute this shoe right. So first things first, they have the black upper right here. And like I said, it wasn't leather like the black cement 3s, so it kind of really like threw me off. But they have black on the upper, like on the toe box and everything along those lines, the mid panels to the back. And then on the midsole, it has the pine green with the white, which is really clean. And then they also have pine green back here around the heel, and pine green on the Jordan Jumpman and the eyelets for the laces. Another hint of pine green is on the outsole right here and on the Jordan writing, and pine green also is on the liner of the tongue and the insole of the shoe. That pretty much covers pine green. The black, like I said, it was the upper and the laces, man. That's pretty much the only thing that's black, and the back tab on the sneaker. So then the rest of the shoe is in this gray off the elephant print. So the elephant print is in gray. Really nice elephant print on this pair as compared to like the Racer Blue 3s. They came with like a black elephant print. It was like weird, but that gray is really nice. Gray on the outsole as well, and around the toe right here on the outsole, and gray for the tongue, and I guess this part, I don't even know what this part is called, the panel right here on the upper, and it's on both sides. And then they have gray on the liner as well, and yeah, I did say gray on the outsole, right? All right, so that pretty much breaks down the colorway of the sneaker. It's like 3 or 4 different colors: white, black, gray, and green, and that pretty much makes up the whole shoe. Now let's talk about materials, man. So my biggest gripe about the shoe is the materials that they chose. I think this is the 3rd time I'm talking about it. So they're using like a nubuck on the upper, which you haven't really seen like in a while. But yeah, man, it's that nubuck on the upper, and boom, it just doesn't hit the same as leather. So, and then the rest of the shoe is elephant print. This is like a, I don't even know what material this is. It's kind of like a suede material, but it isn't. So it's like a tough suede material. Boom, right there. And then same thing with the tongue, is that nubuck material as well. And then they have plastic on the tabs, and then rubber on the outsole. And then the midsole is just like this. I don't even know if it's Phylon. It's some type of midsole right here that they have on all Jordan 3s. It's not truly that comfortable, but can't really go wrong with it. It is Jordan 3s. Jordans feel like bricks anyway. And then they have an air unit right here on the midsole as well for, you know, when you play ball. And yeah, that pretty much breaks down the material, man. Now let's talk about sizing on Jordan 3s. So on Jordan 3s, I do recommend going true to size. If I'm a 9, I typically get my Jordan 3s in a 9, but they didn't have a 9 in store, so I just picked up an 8.5 to give you guys on feet. You can go half size down on most Jordans just because they fit kind of like bulky and big. So 8.5 on me will do the job as well. But I do recommend going true to size. So if you're a 9, make sure y'all get that 9, man. Now, last thing before we jump into an on feet, let's talk about the comfortability. And I covered this slightly when I was talking about the materials. Jordans, the retros, they kind of feel like bricks, man. So yeah, not that comfortable. I'll probably give it like a 5 or 6 out of 10. That's for comfort on these. And the upper isn't made of like nice leather, so you know what I'm saying, this it's what you get, you know, and it's gonna crease really quick, especially with this material. But not the least comfortable sneaker, just because there's an air unit and it is like low cut, but it's not your most comfortable sneaker either. So 6 out of 10 is a solid rating as for comfort. Now I'm gonna give you guys a quick little on feet. I don't know how they look on feet yet, but just based off the colorway, they should look pretty good. I'm gonna throw it on with some Nike Tech pants, and yeah, I'm gonna give you guys an on feet. Then we're gonna come back, wrap things up with the resale prediction and my final opinions on this sneaker, man. So let's cut to that. And we're back, man, and we're back from the on feet. Hopefully you guys like the little look. They actually look all right on feet, man. I really can't complain. Like, if you're looking at it from the side, you don't really notice like it's not leather. Actually, I lied, you really can, but only like from a true like sneakerhead perspective. If someone's just looking, they don't know like Jordan 3s come mainly like with leather, they really can't notice. But enough of that, let's talk about the resale prediction of this shoe. So the sneaker right now, I feel like it's just doing the numbers it's doing because a lot of stores haven't received shipment yet, but I think they will sit in stores. But right now it's around like 215 to 220 resale. I do recommend picking up big sizes on these And going forward, if you guys get them for retail from like stores, just because if you're getting them for no tax in the states that you live in, you're getting it for $190, you know what I'm saying? And the bigger sizes are going for like $230 right now. So if you could just move it at that price, it's a $40 profit. If you have to move it on StockX, you'll probably make like $20 profit. But profit is profit at the end of the day. Like in today's market, you know, you just gotta give what they take, you know what I'm saying? Or take what they give. I don't know the saying. So $20 is $20, man. I'll be picking these up just in stores because I know holiday season running around, people is gonna need these like sneakers as a gift. And it is a pretty clean colorway, especially people really like black and green and white as a combo. But yeah, resell on these are gonna be bricks, but do pick them up if you have people who want them. You can make like a quick $20-$30 over. Doesn't hurt. And yeah, we're just getting into more releases, more hyped up releases coming up. So these could easily be a pass if you know, don't want to like invest in bricks. But I do recommend people investing in bricks, man. Make that $20-$30, goes a long way. Fill your tank, gas getting expensive, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, these are pretty much bricks. That's gonna be my quick little resale prediction on them. And now let's wrap up the video with my final opinions, man. So the sneaker right here, cool colorway, cool concept, just not a fan of the materials. That's all it is. So won't be adding these to my collection. Do need a new pair of white cement 3s in the collection though, so hopefully they release those soon. But yeah, let me know what y'all think about these sneakers down in the comments, man. Pretty clean colorway, like I said, but just not my cup of tea. So y'all let me know y'all opinion of this shoe down in the comments, man. It's your boy ALin. I'm checking out, man. Make sure y'all stay tuned for more videos, and y'all make sure y'all stay safe and stay swaggy, man. We out.